In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an MX record in GoDaddy DNS. Buckle up as we transform your domain management skills and set an email redirection within GoDaddy's platform. To begin, you will first need to access your domain-specific DNS settings. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account using the correct user credentials. Post the successful login, swiftly navigate to your domain portfolio. This is the section where all your domain names are listed under your control. Having reached your domain portfolio, the next important task is to select the domain you intend to add an MX record to. Once you select your preferred domain, you will need to open its settings. To do this, search for and click on the option marked DNS. This particular click will usher you into the DNS records page associated specifically with your chosen domain name. Once into the DNS records page, the real work begins. Commence by opting for the Add New Record choice. Post-clicking this, a Type drop-down menu will appear. Here you will need to select MX, that signifies the kind of record you want to add. Then it's time to enter the precise MX record details that your email service provider usually provides. In the name section, use @ if you want to signify the root domain. If your email service provider instructs, you might want to use a prefix like mail. For instance, it should look something like mail.yourdomain.com. Moving on to the priority field, enter the priority number. Remember, a lower number has a higher preference in the hierarchy. Usually, the first record gets a 10, the second one 20, and so forth. In the value field, input the domain name of your mail server, for example, smtp.secureserver.net or mx.zooho.com. In the TTL or time to live field, set the desired duration. Often you can use the default of 1 hour. However, if you want faster updates, you can choose a shorter duration. With all these details correctly filled in, you are all set to save your record. To do so, please either click on Add Record or Save. If your requirements include adding multiple MX records, simply repeat the detailed process for each of them. Once done, if prompted, click Save All Records. At this point, remember that changes you've made may take up to 24 hours to reflect globally. Practice patience and eventually, you'll see your new MX record active and functioning optimally. Congratulations! You've now learned the process to add an MX record in GoDaddy DNS. Thanks for staying with me throughout this tutorial.